Hello everyone, my name is Isla. I am a student for 8th class. My favorite fruit is mango. My favorite vegetable is potato. I live in Delhi. I am 12 years old. My hobby is a teacher. I have two brothers. Thank you all. My name is Amna. I am a student of 6th A class. I am 10 years old. My dream is doctor. My favorite color is purple. My favorite fruit is mango. My favorite vegetable is potato. I live in Delhi. Thank you.
My name is Ayush. I am studying class 8. I am 12 years old. My favorite fruit is mango. My favorite food is rajma rice. My hobby is writing diary. I am a good boy. I live in Delhi. Bas. My name is Krishna. I am a boy. I study in 8th class.
My name is Deep. I am 7 years old. I live in Delhi. I study in third class. I am a boy. My father is doctor. I want to become a doctor. My favorite fruit, my favorite my favorite vegetable is potato. My favorite food is watermelon.